Alright, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. So my name is Mohamed Lukman Aqil bin Mohamed Ali with a metric number 203524, students for Bachelor Software Engineering, University Putra Malaysia. So today, in this short video for my course, which is SSK3313 Operating System, so I would like to talk about the secondary storage. So okay, so basically, secondary storage is actually the volatile storage, which is the different ones between the primary storage. As we know that uh, the primary storage, which is the volatile one, is like a random access memory, which is RAM. So what it means to the volatile. So volatile is actually is like a temporary storage, where when you shut down the computer or your PC, the memory will be gone. So when you restart the PC, so it will start from the beginning. So it's a little bit different with the non-volatile storage, which is it is the secondary one, where when you store something, the file or any video, photos inside the secondary storage, the non-volatile storage, so the data will be permanently available inside the storage. So it means that when you shut down your PC or you do something like a sleep or hibernate, so and then when you try to switch on back the PC or laptop, so the data will be still inside that secondary storage. So for the secondary storage is also known as auxiliary storage, and then the backup storage, two-tier storage, and also for the external storage. It means that it doesn't mean if you have the hard disk from the external, so this is not the secondary storage. No, it's not like that. It's either from the internal or external. So as the name is hard disk, is still called a secondary storage or the backup storage. So this is the example of the secondary storage, which is hard disk, SSD, which is the solid state drive, and then CD-ROM, DVD drive, zip drive, and also the floppy drives here. And then for the IED, EIDE, uh, this is the acronym for the Enhanced Integrated Drive Electronic. So this is the technology actually. So for I enhance is the enhancement of IDE is the standard electronic interface between our computer and its mass storage device, which is actually like a hard disk or CD or DVD drive and so on. So alright, for the okay, the next slide is show the IDE connector. So as we know that we have a two type of the connector, which is the 3 pin and also the 40 pins. And then inside on our motherboard, we have the IDE connector on motherboard. So as we can see that here, the second figure here shows the IDE connector that have a 40 or 34 pins inside that. And then for every single secondary storage, secondary device, like a hard disk and also the CD-ROM, CD driver, CD drive, it need the power supply to activate or to make that item functionable. So the way you want to activate, you want to active the hard drive, you need to connect to the power supply and also and connect it to the motherboard. All right, so this is the structure, the disk structure. As we can see that this is the like a stack of a disk inside the hard disk, which is we can see that we have like a 1 2 3 4 disks inside that. And then the left figure shows the structure inside the single disk, which we have the track, which is the full with the green color, and then we have the track sector that the outer from the track, and then this sector which include the track sector and the single track. So and then for the host attached storage. So host attached storage is the storage attached through local I/O port. So common architecture that use host attached is like IDE, as I mentioned before, and ATA, and also the SATA, which is this is the new architecture. They had simplified the cable, so it's commonly used for SDD, solid state drive. That we have the type of SATA SSD, and then the next is SCSI. So this is the acronym for the Small Computer System Interface. So this protocol supports maximum of 16 devices on the bus. So uh, it also have the SCSI initiator, but it's commonly called as a controller card actually. So this initiator, the controller will request the operation, and then we have the SCSI targeted like SCSI disk actually. So this part will operate the request from the initiator. And then the last one is the FC. So FC is like a file compare. It's the very high serial architecture that can operate over the optic fiber, which is the fiber optic is actually, or over a four conductor copper. So it's widely, so for the host attached is widely a variety of storage device can suitable for use this architecture, this host attached storage, like hard disk can use that host attached storage, or maybe CD or DVD or tape drive also can use the host attached storage. So that's all for my for my presentation here. So thank you.